Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to notify a member in Planner comments in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your plans and can collaborate with your team members effectively. After logging in, you'll land on your Planner dashboard. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you're currently part of or have created, making it easy to navigate between different projects and workspaces. From the list of plans that appears, click on the specific plan where you want to notify a team member. This will open up the plan and show you all the tasks and activities associated with it. Now at the top of your screen, make sure you're on Board View. This view organizes your tasks into columns based on their status or categories, giving you a clear visual overview of your workflow. The board view is essential because it allows you to see all your tasks at a glance and quickly access the one you need. Next, locate and click on the specific task where you want to leave a comment and notify a team member. This will open up the task details panel on the right side of your screen, showing you all the information related to that particular task. Once the task panel opens, look for the task chat section. This is where all comments and conversations related to this specific task take place, allowing team members to communicate and collaborate directly within the context of the task itself. Now simply click on the text field within the task chat section. This activates the comment box where you can type your message. Go ahead and input the message you want to share with your team member. This could be an update, a question, or any information relevant to the task. Here's the important part. To notify a specific team member, type the @ symbol followed by their name. As you start typing, Planner will automatically suggest team members from your plan, and you can select the person you want to notify from the drop-down list. This ensures that the mentioned person receives a direct notification about your comment, drawing their attention to your message immediately. After typing your message and mentioning the team member, click the Send button to post your comment. The mentioned person will now receive a notification that they've been tagged in a task comment, ensuring they don't miss your important message. And that's it, you've successfully notified a team member in Planner comments. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping everyone in the loop and ensuring important updates reach the right people. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.